Hi, my name is Sukrit Ghate and today we are going to do the daily Nifty analysis. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the levels that have been broken. I'm going to be showing you what kind of a trend the market is trying to follow. I'm going to be showing you chart on the weekly, and I'm also going to be showing you a lower time frame chart, which is the 120-minute chart, and what kind of trades you can be taking. I'm going to keep this video very simple, but you can definitely have a look at all the things that we are going to be looking at and take the trades accordingly. So firstly, I'd like to show you the level that got broken. So this is a rally based drop, as you can see, and particularly over here the leg out candle is quite big, so you can see that the selling at that point was quite a lot. But also, as you see, this area where not much movement happened in regards of trend, but also in regards of how the market was going to be reacting. If you see, I'll just draw this for you. The maximum movement that happened was from here till here, which is again quite a lot for a daily chart. So now what happened is, now the market has set a trend, but how it did that was by breaking this particular level. This supply zone was broken by today's candle. So what you can see in this particular chart is that the supply zone that we had marked has not worked very prominently, but also it proved to be a good resistance, and it also proved to be a level that can be broken in order for the market to make some highs and in order for the market to set a trend. So which is exactly what has happened. This supply zone might have not worked on the daily chart, but I will show you where it has worked. So I'm going to the 120-minute chart. And as you see, this is the 120-minute supply zone. So what has happened here is, this supply zone was formed in the daily supply zone, right? And the supply zone was formed here, and the market went down and up and down and up and all the things. And as you see, it touched here for the first time, and then it fell, and then it went up. So the supply zone that we've marked in the daily has definitely had an impact. It was not a zone that didn't work. It has helped as a reference for the 120-minute supply zone. So let's see where it had started off. So I'll just show you the prices. So the high of this candle where it touched was at 17865, and it came all the way till 17786, right? So you almost got 100-point movement here, and for an intraday trade, that is very, very good. That is more than good enough. So that was one aspect of looking at today's analysis. Second thing is, now the market has broken a very prominent supply level, right? As you can see, this was the supply level that didn't work, but it was definitely a good reference point. So this has been broken. So now what would you do? Would you expect the market to go up, or would you go and try to look at it in a different angle and go on a higher time frame and see what is happening there. So let's do that once and see what's happening. So I had actually talked about this in my weekly analysis video. So this particular level is worked many a times. This particular level has helped you look at the market, analyze the market, and know what kind of movement can be expected many a times, right? So I was explaining about how it touched once, second time here, third time here, and I was also talking about how the market will definitely try to come into this particular zone, which is the 100-point movement that was there when we were talking about the level, which again it has covered. So now the most expected thing is either it will go deeper into the zone, since the strength of this zone has reduced, right? Because it's been touched quite a few times, it's been tested many times. So it'll go deeper into the zone and then it'll fall, or just break the zone and form all-time highs. So these are the only two possibilities that are there, right? So what I would suggest for you to do is, you can go short on smaller time frames if you're an aggressive trader, but if you're a trader who's on the mellower side, I would suggest wait it out and see where the market is going. So this was today's analysis. Thank you very much. Take care.